If I could impart one bit of wisdom, hard earned, hard won, from this farm kid from rural Wisconsin, it is this: never stand behind a sneezing cow. If you're not familiar with this situation, cows are big animals, and if you're standing behind them and they sneeze, they projectile something out of their backside. It's not milk. The way that I explain it to my city friends is basically it's a situation involving several of the properties of physics, including contents under pressure, ballistics, and the path of least resistance, and of course inertia, although in this case you might refer to it as inertia. I don't know if it's ever happened to you, Jim, but it has happened to me, and I can tell you it is a jaw-dropping experience, although that would not be your best move.